Guidance and Counseling, Semester 2, English Medium Students, MCQ, Lecture 6. Question number 79. The counselor is just like a, first option, doctor, second is tutor, third is pupil, fourth is teacher. So the counselor is just like a tutor. Option D is correct. Next question. The counselor can act as an advisor too. The statement is true. So the correct option is A. Question number 81. The client should know the methods to associate himself with the, first option, culture, second is student's attitude, third is society, and fourth is none of the above. The correct option is society. Counseling is only a part of, first option, guidance, second is teaching, third is guidance and teaching both, and the fourth option is none of the above. So the correct answer is counseling is only a part of guidance. Question 83. Guidance and counseling terms are synonyms. The statement is false. So the correct answer is answer C. 84. Group guidance and counseling are same, first option, closely related, second option, C, not related, fourth, different. The correct answer is closely related. Question number 85. Rath Strang has said psychotherapy and counseling both are naturally related. The statement is true. Question 86. Counseling is concerned with emotional problems, first option, second is social adjustment, third is A and B both, that means emotional problems and social adjustment. So this is the correct answer. Option C is correct. 87. Modern approach of counseling concentrate on attitudes and not on techniques. The statement is true. So the correct answer is answer A. Question 88. All the principles of counseling are associated with ideals of democracy. This statement is true. So the correct answer is answer C. Counseling should provide such a contact which fulfills, first option, long-term needs, second is immediate needs. So the correct answer is both long-term needs and immediate needs, and hence the correct option is option C. The term psychological counseling was used first of all by Crow and Crow, Rath Strong, Jones, or R.W. White. So the correct answer is R.W. White. Option D is correct. Question 91. Interview is the most important technique in the, first option is counseling, second is job, third is guidance, and fourth is teaching. So the correct answer is counseling. Option A is correct. Question 92. The counselor does not allow the development of clients' expressions and feelings. The statement is true. Option A is correct. The main advocate of non-directive counseling is, first is Jones, second is Carl R. Rogers, third is Crow and Crow, fourth is R.W. White. The correct answer is Carl R. Rogers. Option B is correct. Non-directive counseling is a child-centered counseling. This statement is true. Correct answer is answer C. Question number 95. The counselor possesses the best, first option is information, second is training, third is experience, fourth is all of these. So all three are Correct. So option D is correct. Counselor possesses the best. Answer is D. Through the non-directive counseling, client's psychological adjustment improves. This statement is true. Option A is correct. Question number 97. Effective aspects are more emphasized than the first answer, intellectual aspects, second is emotional aspects, third is A and B both, and fourth is none of these. So the correct answer is intellectual aspects. Question 97, option A is correct. 98. The client is encouraged to lead in conversation and to express his own. First is ideas, second is attitudes, third is feelings. All these. So the correct answer is D. All these are correct. Question 99. The client-centered counseling revolves around the first is teacher, second is client, third is patient, fourth is none of these. So the correct answer is client. Client-centered counseling revolves around the client. Obviously, a counseling theory is not possible without achieving an integrated theory of first is intelligence, second option is personality, third is all of the above, or fourth is none of these. So the correct answer is personality. Option B is correct for question 100. Question 101. Technique is important as the personality of the counselor. The statement is false. So the correct answer is answer C. So this is all about this lecture 6. From lecture 1 to lecture 6 for English medium students, it covers 101 questions. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like the videos. Thank you.